Good evening and welcome once again to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. CEO of the Separate Group, Richard Pandoe, says it will be restructuring its Golden Grove sugar operation to stem some of the losses it continues to realize. Mr. Pandoe says the restructuring, which will take effect in April, will see it cutting one of the 3 shifts at the sugar factory because it does not have enough cane supply.
We lost approximately 250 million in our sugar operation last year. So the losses have continued unabated. And essentially now, in looking at the operation, where we are versus our cost of production, the inability to supply enough cane to keep the factory running 3 shifts, we're going to have to restructure to at least reduce the factory operation by a shift to keep going.
The removal of a shift could affect up to 70 of the approximately 200 people who work at the factory. Mr. Pandoe says the company is also considering a divestment of the sugar operation, which it acquired 9 years ago, and instead focus on distributing and marketing the product.
I think we've done a great job in building the Golden Grove brand and in building the export market. I think we're the largest exporter of retail sugar out of Jamaica now. So we clearly have competencies that we've done well at. And maybe these are the competencies we need to apply to the rest of the sugar operation. And basically let somebody who's better at the factory operation take up the process of the cane.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.93. The Canadian dollar is going for $102.20. The pound sterling costs $176.87, while the euro is selling for $156.85. The price of oil fell for the first time in 4 days today. Oil for delivery in April fell 90 cents to settle at $63.01 a barrel. Now, stocks ended mostly higher today, pushing the JSE index up more than 993 points. The junior market index, however, lost 19. Stocks posting gains today included 138 Student Living, Berger Paints, Derrimont Trading, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Broilers, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and T-Tech. Now on the losing end were 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Elite Diagnostics, Honeybun, Lasco Financial, Mayberry Investments, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.